Last time, I promised we tackled the one mistake almost every beginner makes with Thai tones. So let me show you how bad it can get. With one tiny slip, you want to tell someone, come here. Money, money, money. Come here. The word ma sits flat, a mid-tone, but you're excited, so you call out and lift your voice at the end, the way you would in English. Ma, ma, ma. Now you just said dog. Same letters in your head, completely different word. And that is the number one mistake. So let me tell you exactly what's going wrong. Here it is. You're treating tone like it's English intonation. In English, pitch belongs to the sentence. In Thai, pitch belongs to the word. Think about how you talk. When you ask a question, your voice rises at the end. When you want to emphasize something, you push the pitch up and get louder. Those are two habits so automatic, you don't even notice them. And both of them will wreck your Thai. Let me show you each one. In English, you want rice. Your pitch climbs on that last word. Is how the listener knows it's a question. So a beginner does the exact same thing in Thai. Watch. Cow, cow, cow. Rice, a falling tone. It drops down, remember, from the last video. But if you turn it into a question the English way, you push that word up at the end. Cow, cow, cow. And now it's white. You try to ask about rice, and the tone flipped the word right out from under you. You let a word do the job your pitch was trying to do. Remember mai from the first video? The question particle, khao mai, rice or want rice? The word khao stays falling. It does not move. The little word mai carries the question for you. That's its whole job. It marks the sentence as a question. So your other words are free to keep their real tones. Khao mai, khao mai, khao mai. Second habit. In English, when you love something, you go big. That was so good. You push the pitch up to emphasize. So in Thai, you try to really sell it. อร่อย 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 Delicious. That's the clean version. So how do you emphasize without breaking the word? You add a word. มาก 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 Very or a lot. This is how Thai turns up the volume. With a word, not with your pitch. อร่อยมาก 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 Very delicious. You keep every tone exactly where it should be. So here's the whole fix in one line. In Thai, don't let the sentence steal the word's tone. Want to ask a question? Add a question word and leave the tones alone. Want to emphasize? Add a word like māk and leave the tones alone. Your pitch is not a tool anymore. The words are. Let's lock it in. Keep every tone flat and steady. No English rise, no English push. ข้าวไหม Rice, tone stays put. อร่อยมาก Very delicious. Tone stays put. มานี่ Come here. And nobody gets called a dog. If your Thai has ever sounded off, even when you knew the words, this is almost always why. It's not that your accent is bad. It's that an English habit is quietly overriding the tone. Catch that one habit and everything you learned in the last 3 videos suddenly clicks. And tell me in the comments, Which English habit do you catch yourself doing? The question rise or the emphasis push. See you next time.